Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vinny Marzelli coming to you from Vivid Commerce. Today I want to talk to you about CBD. CBD over the past several years has been something difficult to get in your shop because there's so many rules and regulations about it that really make it difficult to get processing. And we've heard nightmare stories with other processors about merchants, money being tied up for months because they have a CBD product. Fortunately with Vivid, when you're doing payment processing with us, we actually have a program in place where we allow CBD. You don't have to worry about it being high risk or your payments being shut off randomly over a weekend or something strange like that happening. But to accompany that with the payments, I want to talk about Vivid Point of Sale and give you really 5 reasons why Vivid Point of Sale is the perfect fit for any CBD merchant, whether you're reselling it or you are a merchant yourself. Take a look. All right, guys. So number one is compliance. This is the biggest issue when it comes to CBD, and we want to make sure that there's no hassle for you. We want to make sure that you're comfortable selling the product. We want to make sure that it works within the point of sale system, but we also want to make sure that it's just worry free. We want to make sure you receive those funds next day. We have a full compliance team on hand that will help you through the application process. And if anything shall arise, which we don't anticipate will, but if something does come up, we do have a team back that can back you up and can reduce the risk of chargebacks also. But you can also rely on our 24/7 support team. And one feature I want to highlight right here with the compliance issue, so that we're protected within the different laws, whether it's state or federally, is we have an age verification tool set up right in the point of sale that can really help you guys so that your employees, your managers, everyone that works for you feels comfortable when selling CBD products with Vivid Point of Sale. And then number two is our inventory management tool within the point of sale. Um, we offer advanced inventory tracking features tailored to the specific needs of CBD merchants. So we enable precise monitoring of stock levels, including different product variations and batch numbers. This really helps prevent stockouts, streamline reordering, and optimize inventory levels. Vivid Point of Sale also provides a user-friendly interface for generating and assigning UPC and barcodes to CBD products, simplifying the process of the product, identifying and tracking within the system. And this feature aids in efficient inventory management, which is really, really important. So we got you covered there. You'll know where all your inventory is all the time. And then number three is free processing. There are other, there's nothing really better than, saving money and helping your bottom line. And, when we're offering free processing, it's a unique advantage provided by Vivid Point of Sale. When we're reducing the operational costs associated with payment transactions for CBD merchants. A lot of processors see this vertical as high risk and charge outrageous amounts to process because of the CBD. This feature can significantly contribute to the savings and improve your bottom line. So talk to us about that. Schedule a meeting with someone on our team or myself, and I'll happily just go over how that works and how it can really save you guys money overall. And then number four, we have our loyalty program. This is huge. CBD merchants absolutely love this. It's proven to work. It's proven to increase your revenue. It's a built-in loyalty program that allows CBD merchants to reward their regular customers, encouraging repeat business and fostering customer retention. Um, Programs like this can really enhance the customer satisfaction and really promote long-term relationships for your clientele. If you don't have a loyalty program set up yet, you need to do this, and you as the merchant will benefit from the rewards and revenue that it brings in, and that's a guarantee. So let us set up the loyalty program for you and get you situated on that. And then number five would be reporting and scalability. Reporting and scalability with this CBD products or retail in general is very important. So we have detailed analytics and reporting tools to help you understand sales and customer trends, customer behavior, and the key metrics are crucial for making informed business decisions. You want to know what sells great this week versus last week versus this month versus last month. All of this will really help you kind of gauge that, and it really helps you out in the long term. And before making a decision, I would love to set up a demo with you and your team to demonstrate why Vivid Point of Sale can align with your specific business requirements and objectives. And additionally, consider factors such as pricing, scalability, customer support, integrations, capable with other business tools to make an informed choice for your CBD merchant needs. Vivid Point of Sale can help you with that. I can certainly assist you with that. And I really hope that this video kind of gives you an idea of and really made it so you're less worried about carrying CBD products, because we do have the processing in place. We have the point of sale to back it up, And I really believe this is a great fit for all of you CBD merchants. So my name is Vinny Marzelli. Please reach out at vinny@hellovivid.com or check us out at Hello Vivid. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video encourages you to take your CBD store to the next level. Take care, guys.